Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Morgan and I'm obsessed with all things beauty and skincare related. And in today's video, I am going to be reviewing something really cool with you guys. And it is on a brand called DiGuan Hair. And they make these fantastic hair bands that I really wanted to share with you guys. So before I continue, I just want to let you guys know that the company did send me a bunch of their headbands. Now, before we continue, I know I typically don't do like hair tutorials. I know I do like my hair extension stuff, but let me tell you something. I can't tell you guys how many times I tried to braid my own hair and get these cute ponytails with like the braids going across, and like I never could get the look on my own, and it's always so annoying. And it's like I try to go to the store and I'm like, I can never find like good quality headbands. So when this brand reached out to me and I saw their products, I was like, you know what? I actually want these, and if they're good, I'd like to share it with my subscribers. So yeah, I'm really happy. So I got sent 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different shades, and I'm going to show you all of them. So if you're new here, hi, I'm Morgan. I review all things skincare and beauty related. I love hair, I love being a blondie, and I love doing all different fun things with you guys. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First things first, I want to show you the different colors that was sent to me. So right now I have them all laid out on my desk with their names attached. Some of them are still in the bag. This is a brand that specializes in hair accessories. These are all synthetic hair, but they're super soft. So when I bring this up to the camera, you can see like the natural shine to them. And honestly, I'm feeling them right now, and they're so soft, and they honestly feel real, and I am so impressed with the quality of these products. You could even see the shine in the hair, and I just think these are fantastic. So I was given the color Ginger Blonde, which is this color right here. Look at the beautiful highlights in this shade. This is more of like a tight braid, and it's honestly flawless and perfect. There's not a strand out of place. It's honestly freaking stunning. I actually really like the dimension in this shade too. Definitely matches my hair color a lot, just because I have a lot of dimension going on in my natural hair. Well, let's face it, my hair isn't natural. Also, I just want to like show you guys that there isn't an adjustable strap here. I'm going to show you guys this and talk about this just a little bit later. I want to show you guys the color, but this is in the shade Ginger Blonde. This is in the shade Dark Blonde, and this is a bit of a wider braid, more of like a loose braid. Then you get into, and then of course I kept like the packaging that it comes in because it gives you the colors. This is in the shade Clay Bank. Look at how stunning. So this is like a fishtail braid, and it's definitely like a tad loose and a little messy, which I think is really cool. And fish braids, I love fish braids so much. And I always, sometimes when I go to get my hair done, I'll ask my hairdresser to not even blow my hair out, like just give me a fishtail braid or just a classic French braid. Like these are stunning. I love how thick they are. They're like a little weighted, like the quality of these, I'm so impressed with. Then the next one I got is in Dark Blonde again. I'll just take it out of its packaging here. And then this is just like another flawless braid. So soft. Like honestly, it's just incredible. Thick. You guys can, I don't know if you guys can like tell its thickness in the camera, but very thick and shiny and smooth and just honestly stunning. Then of course, what I also like is these are elastic and stretchy, and you could adjust sizing also. And of course the coloring of the elastic kind of matches the hair color, so it blends in with like your natural hair color that's like closest to your scalp. So I think that's really cool. And then we also have the color Clay Bank. This is in the shade Clay Bank again, but instead of it being a fishtail braid like this one, it comes in like another like tight French braid. Oh no, oh my God, look at this one. I thought this was, I've never seen a braid like this. Oh my God, it's like a triple braid. How cool is this? So this is like, honestly, the coolest thing ever. It's like a basket weave braid. Look at this. So this, if you could tell like the differences, so like this is like a single braid, and then this is like a triple braid. It's like a basket weave. It's so cool. So now that I've showed you all the colors that have been sent to me, I want to try some on for you guys because I'm super, like, honestly, I love these. And if you go on their website, I do believe that there are instructions. I'm going to link all of these down below for you guys so you guys can go check them out. I intend on using these as more of an accessory. I definitely don't intend on like taking these apart or anything like that. I definitely want to leave them as is. I definitely think we should be taking really good care of these. After you're done using them, just take them out, put them back where you got them. Like, don't try to, I personally am not gonna be putting any hairspray in mine. I'm gonna try to keep them as clean as possible just because they're so soft, so silky, and so nice. I just wanna keep them like that for as long as possible. But I'm gonna start off with, let's just see if ginger blonde matches my hair color. Pay close attention because these are used as headbands. Again, this is elastic, so you could adjust the sizing of this elastic bands to your head. So I have this one, so it stretches like this, but you can change the size with something like this, and you just move it. You can make them big or small, so I just make this a little smaller for my head. It's very, very easy to use. Not complicated at all, and you can make them obviously bigger. And they're stretchy, so I'm gonna just put them on like this for now, and I'm just gonna plop it over my head, and we're gonna just see how this works out. So again, you could use this. I intend on using this. I'm gonna bring my hair forward, right? So we're gonna have more of like this bohemian look. This is how I personally would wear mine. You guys can get as creative as you want with them. I just like the idea of just like this braided, like kind of just like messy bohemian look, right? And then I could kind of just have this blended in, maybe move it closer to the top so people could see it more. My root, my natural root is a little dark, so I think I could even get away with like one of the darker ones, like maybe like a darker blonde. I think I could probably blend this, or ooh, even like the basket weave one. We're gonna call this the basket weave one. I'm gonna try that next. So this I think looks gorgeous because I think it blends more with my hair down here. So what do you guys think? I just looked at this in a bigger mirror and like, oh my God, I'm blown away. I love how it looks. Like, I love this. Look at this like as a side angle. So what I would probably do next, so like if you're like going through the night and you just get tired, I would just leave the headband in, and keep in mind, you can't see the headband from behind because I tucked, like the way I applied it, you would just blend out the bottom so you can't even see it type deal. And then I would just tie it back into like a low pony, and the bottom should be blended in. And then I would just do like a loose, effortless pony. And then you could even just bring the sides down like this, right? And I also have, oh wow, well this is getting a little messy, but you could even just like, just be super like, you know what I mean? Like, look at that. I love that. Like, I feel like such an Instagrammer. So then of course you could also do this effortless ponytail, and then you just have this really, really well manicured, put together braid that I just think is awesome. And you guys don't, like, I know I have hair extensions in right now. These are tie-in weft extensions, but you don't even need hair extensions to make something like this work. They look so natural. They're so easy to use. You really don't need to do much. Like you guys saw, I just did the whole thing with you guys. Like very, very easy. That's what I love about these. I'm just so crazy impressed with the quality of these. So I'm dying to try this basket weave one. I'm honestly just so intrigued by this. Like, I need this in my life. Like, let's just apply this and see what happens. It's super dark. I don't know if it's my color, but they have such a wide range of colors. I know you'll be able to find your color. But I'm thinking because of my dark root, I can get away with it. See what I mean? Maybe. There's a shot. So you're saying there's a chance. Maybe not. Maybe so. I don't know. What do you guys think? I think so. Like, I can make this work. Like, messy. Like in a pony. Guys, I'm all about the ombre life too. And you wanna know what? I say this all the time. You don't have to make everything match perfectly. I am not like the biggest person when it comes to like matching. I love having things like out of place. Like I've always been like that, especially when it comes to like my hair, my fashion, everything. People just get so weirded out about having to match everything so perfectly. Like, don't get so caught up in that, especially when it comes to fun stuff like accessorizing. So this one, I'm gonna have to adjust the strap. So this one's definitely, so this is on like the tightest setting. So I could definitely adjust this one's strap by making it bigger. Definitely gonna have to do that. So made it much bigger. Yes, much more comfortable, easy fix, easy peasy. Like, I can't wait to see all of the creative ways people use these headbands, because you could honestly do so much. Like, I can see brides using these so much. Like, when I was a bride, I wish I had access to these, because braids are so beautiful, especially because I was like a spring bohemian bride. Like, this would have been amazing for me. Like, I would have been the spring goddess like forever. So you guys can purchase all of these on Amazon. As I said before, I'm gonna link them all down below for you. You can get free shipping over $25 if you purchase like one or two of these. They are $18.99. They are $8.68 an ounce. The headband life, this is per their website, is over 1 year depending on care and usage. The width of them is about 1 inch. Handmade headband. Width may be slightly different. They're synthetic, heat resisting up to 120 degrees Celsius. They're hair scrunchies, which looks like real human hair, which I totally agree, because they feel and look like real human hair. It's actually almost creepy, but they're synthetic. When you do wash these, if you have to, again, they're good for up to 1 year, 20 bucks. I think that's good. Honestly, I'm really impressed with the quality of these. You're supposed to wash them with cold water, add a dash of shampoo, and wash gently. Rinse thoroughly in warm water, again, working from top to bottom. Never twist, wring, squeeze your hair extension, allow it to air dry. Do not use curling irons, blow dryers, or hot styling instruments. Color matching. Don't be afraid to go a shade lighter or darker than your hair. Take into consideration your hair coloring at its roots and ends, along with any highlights, right? We just learned that. Did I not just say that in the beginning of this video? I totally agree. Have fun with it. The exact colors that are pictured might not be the same because of different monitors being used on cameras. Please contact us if you have any questions. So I definitely agree. Your root color takes a huge play in what's going on down here when using the headbands. I honestly think, and I agree, just have fun with these. They're great quality. If you're interested, I definitely recommend them. Again, these products were sent to me and this is a promotional video. However, I don't really have a reason to say these aren't any good. I mean, why would, like, what's wrong with these? Like, in my opinion, like, I think they're really, really nice. And I think you guys would really, really enjoy them, especially if you guys have like a special event coming up, or if you guys are just wanting braids in your hair. You're like me and you just can't give yourself a really good solid braid and you're looking for an easy way to do it. These things are best friends and I plan on using these today. So actually, I'm just gonna keep this in. Everybody, I hope you guys have a great day. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you, DiGuan, for sharing your products with me. I really, really enjoyed it. If you guys are interested in these, again, I'm gonna link them down below. If you haven't done so, please subscribe to my channel. I'm always talking about things all beauty and skincare related. I have a blast doing so, and thank you so much for tuning in. I love you guys. Stay glowing, stay happy, stay vibrant. Love you. Bye.